We stayed overnight in Kanakul, a port city at the southern end of the Dardanelles. The next day, we headed out to Troy, where ruins from the city of some 2,000 years ago can be seen.
The city of Troy was an ancient city in modern-day Turkey, best known as the setting for the legendary Trojan War. It is now an archaeological site with multiple layers of ruins from 9 different settlements, spanning from approximately 3000 BC to 500 AD. The historical importance of Troy lies in its long history, its strategic position on trade routes, and its archaeological significance as a record of early civilization, as documented by sources like the UNESCO World Heritage Center.
Situated in Hisarlik, in the northwestern part of modern-day Turkey. History: the site was first settled in the early Bronze Age around 3000 BC. Over centuries, it was destroyed and rebuilt numerous times, resulting in 9 distinct layers of settlement, known as Troy I through Troy IX. Trojan War. The city is famously the setting for the Trojan War, as described in Homer's epic poems, the Iliad and the Odyssey. According to legend, the war was a 10-year siege by a coalition of Greek forces, which ended with the legendary Trojan horse stratagem and the eventual sacking of the city. Archaeologists believe that the Troy 7A layer, destroyed around 1260 to 1240 BC, is the city most likely associated with the epic.
The museum just near the ruins houses so many artifacts uncovered from the city of Troy. It is certainly a must-visit whilst in the area.
We stayed overnight in the town of Selçuk, which has many ruins from the Roman times. One of the 3 cult statues found in the Praia City Hall on the 18th of September 1956, during the evacuation of the ancient city of Ephesus, beautiful Artemis. The original statue dates the Roman era, 2nd century CE, and is now exhibited at Ephesus Archaeological Museum.
Ephesus is an ancient Greek and Roman city located in modern-day Turkey, near the town of Selçuk. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is celebrated for its remarkably well-preserved ruins, including the iconic Library of Celsus and the Great Theatre. Founded in the 10th century BC by Ionian Greek colonists, Ephesus later became the capital of the Roman province of Asia under Emperor Augustus in 27 BC. During the Roman imperial period, it flourished as a major commercial, political, and cultural hub, with a population estimated to exceed 250,000 people. Library of Celsus, the most iconic and photographed structure. Its grand two-story facade has been carefully reconstructed from original fragments. It was the third largest library in the ancient world and also served as a monumental tomb for the Roman senator Tiberius Julius Celsus Poleminus, for whom it was built.